Hey, what's up? It's Juan. I'm out of breath. We're taking down a walnut tree to be used in the shop. It's what I got so far in my truck. One of my clients gave me this tree, but I have to pay for this guys to take it down. This is the tree chopper crew.
We're gonna be on YouTube. We're gonna be famous.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, I made it.
Both of my subscribers will like this video. This is the main trunk. It's about to come down. I lowered that chainsaw there so I can tell you about Jason. He runs J Portable Sawmilling. The phone number is on the screen there, and very professional. The guy knows what the hell he's doing. He also, he has a kick-ass sawmill. Here's a picture that's come from his Facebook. Anyways, he did a kick-ass job. Clean up the whole parking lot even before he took down this thing. I stay kind of far away because, you know, safety, and I'm crazy, but I'm not stupid. But I think he is trying to calculate how many of him from the bottom to the top, and he's got it tied to his trailer where he's got a winch. Anyways, we got 4 8-foot pieces that he's gonna mill, and from the V shape on the top, the shorter part on the right got cut off, and I took that home. I'm gonna split that and make some bolts out of it. But yeah, it was a fun day. I got a few scratches from picking up big pieces of wood, but I'm pretty happy, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna destroy my lathe, or maybe I gotta get a bigger one. But anyways, he's cutting this thing, so I'll stop and shut up. Total success there, and you see some of the debris on the other side of the fence. The neighbor actually asked, he wanted all that for like firewood and all the stuff piled up against the fence. We brought it over to him because he has a fireplace and he wanted the wood. So yeah, this guy's highly recommended. So if you're in the GTA and you need something milled or the tree taken down, give this guy a shout. Long day today. This is all my walnut that was in the back of my truck. I sealed it all the ends, 2 coats. And I have some pieces in my shop I want to show you. This is cherry, but this is kind of like a corner from the walnut tree. I think I don't know what happened here. It's not necessarily like a crotch piece, but it's gonna make an interesting thing. This is a small piece, a section of that. This is, I think it's Albury, or something like that. Somebody gave me this, and I don't know what to do with it because it's all like crack here. I'm not even sure I can do something. And this, I was shooting a house for Open House 24, and the homeowner had this. This was on one piece. I cut it in half, but it's a cherry. It's a cherry fruit tree. Unlike that's a cherry tree, this is a cherry fruit tree. But apparently he had this in his garage for 15 years, so it's very, very dry and ready to go. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to make a platter with this piece. Hopefully I don't screw it up because this is beautiful. I want this to be the bottom. However, I don't want to make a recess because I think it's gonna take away from this pattern, so I'm gonna have to take a chance and lose about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch to make a tenon. So, and hopefully I have enough that doesn't fall apart. And so this one here, when I saw my first, because this is from the walnut tree we cut today, and because the pit is right here, I thought, you know, I cut it here, I get and remove the pit basically here, this area here, and I get a deep bowl and a shallow one. And then I noticed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, and here, flip this over, and check that out. They go all the way through, which you can see better on the other side. Sorry, I'll flip this around again. One hand the videographer. So what I'm thinking is, if this goes all the way through, if I make a bowl like this, there will be in the side wall in opposite ends, which means that, and instead of cutting this here, I will have to cut it across here, and it's gonna give me a high wing and a low wing, and I'm not sure if I should be doing that, but I think, I don't know, I mean, I have a ton of this stuff. I mean, we chopped down the whole freaking tree. I have 4 8-foot sections that are like 16 to 18 inches wide, so I have a lot of it. I think it's worth giving it a shot. But anyways, I'm talking low because, you know, it's a big secret. But anyways, that's all I have to share with you. I'm completely tired. Hopefully I have the energy to do this tomorrow. I still have to go fly a drone at a waterfront property and shoot the house in the morning, and then edit those pictures, send them out, make the video, and hopefully then I have time to deal with this guy. But because it's I'm not going to come across many of these pieces, if I'm too tired, I'm just going to leave it for the next day. I think this is something that I have to approach with a very fresh mind. Anyways, that's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you at the next one.